What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are back here with the Toyota Corolla Cross in dark turquoise, and we are at Toyota all the way here in Shah Alam. Now for those of you who do not know where this is, it's quite easy. The description is down below where you can locate this car, and a huge thanks to Mr. Pang to allowing me to be shooting this beautiful car that we have right here, dark turquoise. So just check out the exterior. Simple walk around from the outside before we head right down to the inside. So let us first start off with the front lights. Now take a look at the gorgeous lights that we have right here. You get your amazing openings on this side right here. At the bottom right here is your main LED, as you can see. Love how it looks from this side. Now you do have your amazing chrome that goes across here where your Toyota badging is right in the center, and then you finish off with the other side as well. So very cool. Love the openings that we have right here in this black finish. Love the gloss black kind of appearance. Not really an opening, but more like a design-like element. You got some matte finishing down here at the bottom bumper that goes across the side, and then you do have your other lights that are happening on this side right here. I believe this is your front fog lamp to be shining, and some air intakes on this side for radiator, including on this side right here. So that's kind of cool. You get your front camera on this side for 360. Number plate holder goes right there. Love the blue finishing that goes at the bottom right here, all the way from the left to the right. So that's kind of nice. Now at the side for the wheel, you do get the continuous matte finish for the bottom lip. Then you get the matte finish for the side wheel arch that goes across. And you do get your wheels in tire size 225 50 R18. Solid disc brakes for the rear, for the front, and also for the rear. But you do get your two-tone finish of the wheel. So silver lining on the outside, and you get some grey finishes on the inside here as well. So that's very nice as well for the front wheel. Now for the side of the car, you do get the matte finishing that goes across from this side all the way to the other side. The back is continuous, connected to the front wheel arch. That's kind of nice. So for the side mirrors, you do get the top portion of the mirror following the body color, and the bottom finish right here is in this matte finish, where your 360 camera is on this side as well. So you get cameras for the front, side, and also the rear. So for the top portion of the car, you do get the chrome lining that goes across the side all the way till the back right here. You get the Corolla Cross wording right there. So that's kind of nice. So let's open up the doors and take a look at what we see. So first thing is the door. You do get this amazing finish that we have right here on the inside. Love the stitching in this white stitching. Has some contrast happening right here. Your handles are right here on this side. Door openings on this side. So you do get your window adjustments up and down over here with some matte finish like texture. Amazing finish. You got the brown leather finish on this side. You got this satin kind of a bright chrome finish together with some texture like finish over here. Hard plastic on this side down here. Compartment storage down this side. Speaker right here. Love the door finish design, especially the brown. Now for the inside part, you do get this amazing sporty looking comfort seats, I would call it. But love the brown finishing Alcantara sort of like suede finishing that we have right here, similar towards that part right there on the center armrest. So let's take a seat on the inside and let us see and feel what we're actually looking at. So dashboard, this is how it looks like. You do get your stitching similar towards the door side right there. It has this white stitching that goes across the side right here, so very cool. Your glove compartment is of course located down here as well, and you do get your aircon adjustments together with your ventilated systems right here, together with airflow for your AC and whatnot. So 360 camera, of course you have it all here. You can choose to set it differently if you wish to, and we'll figure that out when the time comes for more and more info that you guys can actually take a look at. But nevertheless, it is a very good looking screen that gives you all sorts of information that you require to see for a car like this. So your gear knob is right here. You got your PRND manual transmission on this side. So you do have your wireless charging pad on this side, and your two cup holders on this side. The key is over here, but you do get your auto hold together with your parking as well, the parking brake. So on this side, you got the compartment storage on this side. It's kind of cool. Love the brown finish. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black. And let's get down and take a look at the rear for a car like this. So you do get your similar door finishing for the front and the rear, with the white stitching on this side right here with the black. Some brown finishes on this side with a cup holder at the top side right here. Now it's not every day you see a cup holder at the top portion. Normally it's always down. So you do get the speaker system right this side, handle to hold, to pull to close the door. Again, the brown finishing that is right there, very nice indeed. So you do have this top portion as well, in this, how to say this, your railing where you can actually stack up stuff where you need to go camping or go and have extra storage. You can do that with this car as well. And I love the finishing that we see on this part right here, man. You can see all this. These are all the hooks that you can actually take off, so they can actually install a rack to go on top of the car. So that's kind of nice. You do have your shark fin antenna in this blue finish. At the same time, you've got all these lines that we have right here at the top. So that's kind of cool. So inside right here, you do get your leather finish of a seat, right, for the rear. And compartment storage on this side down here. So that's kind of cool. You do have legroom is good, and you do get your air vent right here as well, together with some USB-C connectivities down here, 2 of them. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Passenger seat belts are also in, you see, black. And let's jump right into the center. Before that, what's down here? Gotta take a look. What's hiding on this side? Let's see. 2 cup holders that we have on this side right here. So that's kind of cool. Amazing. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Of course, you got your lighting adjustment on the top right here. The view at the center is good as well. Very nice for a compact crossover SUV. Now let us now take a look at the exterior part for a car like this. So you do get your rear wheel that is in this particular design with some grey finishing together with some silver finishing on the outside. Solid disc brakes for the rear. And your tire size for the back is also 225/50 R18. So that's kind of cool indeed. Now for the rear part of the car, amazing finish with these chrome finishes of the Toyota badging. Corolla Cross is what they call it. So love the matte finishing texture down here as well. So that's kind of nice. Love the blue finishing for the center that we have on this side, together with your how to say this, the reflectors for the rear side right here. You got your 1.8V petrol wiper. Your brake lights is located right there. Once again, the shark fin antenna together with this design-like finish for the roof, which is really cool indeed. Let's open up the boot, take a look at what we see. So you do get your boot closing together with the closing of that, and also you get your tailgate where you can wave your leg. The boot can actually open up. So this part right here, you can actually choose to pull to cover in case you don't want people to be seeing what's inside the shade. You do get this particular Corolla Cross mat that we have right here, so that's kind of nice. Okay, so let us take note that we do have this rear camera together with the front that is actually optional for the car. That if you buy it, I mean, you can always inquire for their own branded one, Toyota, that says right there. So that's kind of cool. So this railing right here, you can actually remove it because the seats, you can actually fold it down. So let us start off by pulling the seats actually down and take a look at the space that you guys actually get, man, dude. Fantastic space for the rear. Take a look from this side that we have right here. It's kind of nice. And let's now fold down the seats that we have on this side. So amazing space that you guys can get for a car like this, including like this right here. So amazing space. Now let's move to the front driver's seat and take a look. Those. So door finishing, once again, you got a black top portion right here, you got the brown finishing right here, window adjustments up and down, you got your child lock for the rear windows together with your unlock and lock, and also your side mirror adjustments. You got this satin finish of a chrome looking thing, very nice. Compartment storage down here, speaker on this side of it as well. So these are all hard plastic. Accelerator and the brake pedals together with your carpets that we have right here. Electronic seats for the driver's side together with this brown finishing right here for the center piece of the backrest. Now let's hop right in and take a look at the interior part of this car. So of course your leather wrapped steering wheel is beautiful. You do get your cruise control finishing right here on this side right here, together with your lane keeping assist and your radio station modes on this side, together with left side right here is answering of your call, your other settings that you can toggle through for the screen, volume up, volume down, together with your voice command. So the steering wheel does look very sporty indeed, especially with this chrome finishing that we have right here, this satin finish of a chrome. Love the meter displays for the RPM, accelerator, the kilometer per hour, and of course the indicator that gives you whether your doors are fully open or not. And I love the satin finish that goes across the whole dashboard, together with the passenger front, the side of the passenger doors, together with the centerpiece right here. So it does look very, very good indeed. So your wiper adjustments on this side, your signal and your light is on this side as well, together with your auto right here for your lights, and also the height adjustments for the front lights, and also the back boot to open up. That's kind of cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver seat, so you do get your seatbelts in black. And the best part about this is that your windows are already tinted, guys, for a car like this. So as you can see from this side, got this tinted finish of a car, so that's kind of cool. Love it, man. Love how this car looks. Now you've seen the back, you've seen the front. Let us now turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how does this signal look like for a car like this. So you do get your turn indicators right here at the side of the mirrors. You do get turn indicators right here as well. So that's really kind of cool, man, dude. I love how this car looks. Love the blue finish that we have for a car like this. So that's really amazing indeed, man. Now let's take a look at the rear as well, with it folded down, so we can see how the back actually looks like with the turn indicators on. So let us take note. These will be your brake lights. That should be your turn indicator. So that's kind of cool, man. Love how the car looks. So let's turn it off this side and let's get a cover photo for the front. Does look good. Petrol car once again. For those of you looking for a compact SUV, this is a very good choice indeed. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Toyota cars, do head down to Shah Alam right here and meet up with Mr. Bang. He's right there. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.